Have you ever had that weird feeling? You're talking to a friend about something random, and suddenly your Facebook feed is filled with ads for that thing. You didn't even search for it. You just said it out loud. And isn't it strange that Amazon knows everything you've ever bought? And somehow, they always know exactly what you're gonna want next. Ever noticed how your social feed seems to know your mood and keeps you scrolling just a little too long? Have you ever felt like you're being watched? Not by a person, but by the machine. Does it bother you that big tech profits from your data and you don't get anything in return? You generate the content, you power the platform, but you own none of it. What if there was another way? What if you could be part of the solution by helping to create a new internet? No tech skills needed. And what if engagement, your presence, finally rewarded you? Hi, I'm Brian Ferry. I've been building tech companies for over 30 years. Apps, e-commerce, communities, educational platforms, you name it. And I'll be straight with you. For most of that time, I helped build the system that tracks you. We collected data in the name of customer experience, but let's just call it what it became, a surveillance model that turns people into products. Then, for me, something changed in 2019. Voices started getting silenced and people were being canceled. Platforms were censoring and shutting down entire conversations. It became crystal clear. Big tech is the new big brother. So along with a few others, I asked a question. What if we built something different? A platform where users own their data, where free speech isn't an option, it's a foundation, and where your participation is valued and rewarded. That's why we built Optio. So, how does it work? Most of the internet is powered by giant data centers. Facebook, Google, TikTok, they run the show from centralized warehouses where all of your data is collected, sliced up, and sold to the highest bidder. But a blockchain, it's different. It's powered by individuals just like you and me. Small, secure computers that run this new kind of internet. Imagine if Facebook gave you the opportunity to own one of their servers. You know, the ones they use to capture all your data? You buy one of these servers and they pay you every month to use it. That's how a blockchain works. You can own a small piece of a very large network. It's called a blockchain node. A blockchain node is a piece of software you install on a computer that powers this new kind of internet that is not owned or controlled by a large corporation or any one billionaire. They're owned and operated by everyday people just like us. Each node collects, validates, and safely stores data. Today, you have a choice. Choose freedom or choose to continue to funnel cash to the corporations. In 2024, the Optio Blockchain was launched by a few thousand people just like me and you. The social media app, Parler, the one canceled by big tech in 2020, was relaunched by a community of people who stand firm against big tech's control over speech and data. This was no small undertaking, and right now, Parler users are already earning daily rewards from making a positive impact just by using Parler. Every like, every share, every comment, and even a meme now and then earns you daily rewards. If you decide to allow ads on your feed, you get the rewards. Parler, with more than 15 million app downloads, is the first app to connect to the Optio blockchain. Play TV, a free video platform built for entertainment and creators, is adding thousands of users every day. A place where no one is shadow banned or canceled, and every video earns rewards. This is how Optio is already changing the game and rewriting the rules. Right now, more than 9 applications are being integrated to the Optio blockchain, and millions of users who are fed up with big tech's control are making the switch. All of this is powered by a network of computers owned by individuals just like you. These computers are linked together to form a fast, reliable, and secure platform that supports these applications and millions of users. An Optio node is easy to buy, easy to install, and easy to operate. You don't have to buy any hardware, just an app that you host in the cloud. Set it up, sit back, and let it do its thing. Imagine a future where the internet isn't controlled by a handful of tech giants, but powered by the very people who use it. A place where your voice is truly your own, where you can speak freely, create boldly, and connect authentically without fear of being silenced, tracked, or sold. In this new digital world, you don't just participate, you own a piece of it. And you're not just a user, you're a builder of the infrastructure that powers open expression, data sovereignty, and human connection. This isn't a dream. It's the promise of a decentralized internet, and it starts with you.
I'm now a holder of multiple nodes, basically the software that generates the tokens.
I started buying nodes well before it even launched, and I continue to buy nodes up until this day.
Coming in and buying a node was a no-brainer for me. I started with a few, now I have a lot. The vision just gets better and better in the direction this thing is going.
I'm excited every time I look at my Kaibo wallet and see my daily award of Optio tokens, because I know the value and the utility of that token and the multitude of ways that I'll be able to use that token.
I've seen a lot of blockchains. This by far is the most powerful thing that I've ever seen.
I would just encourage you guys to join the community, see what all the excitement is about. And I personally believe this could be something very, very special.
If you want to do something different with your life and really think outside the box and do something special, Optio is it, because we are doing amazing things.
I get rewarded every single day for my willingness to participate with the daily distribution of Optio tokens.
Get involved. This is one of the most powerful things that you will ever see.
If you're ready to join this movement, click the link below. You'll be guided through a series of short videos that will walk you through the process step by step. Buy your nodes, set up your digital wallet, and choose your hosting option. It takes about 5 minutes from start to finish. Then you'll begin earning OPT tokens immediately. You want to talk to someone first? Fill out the form below, and I'll put you in touch with an Optio ambassador today. A real node owner, real people who are happy to help. Let's roll.